song guitar today. And we've got Holly on drums, so thank you for listening. And yeah, we're doing fucking great.
Pour your drinks out for the boys who couldn't make it tonight.
The song's called. What's the song called?
We don't have a name for this, but
we don't have a name for this song, but we're gonna play it anyway.
let's fuck it! Alright, when this song kicks in, I want everyone fucking jumping, okay? Is that all good?
Yeah. Fuck yeah. This song is called Downfall. 1 second. Goodbye, Chris. Our lovely guitar.
One more time for Gwyneth! Okay, so basically the last two songs will play just one guitar, so...
Yeah, so it's not gonna sound as fat, but it's alright, they're still fine. Alright, I think we're good.